Yeah, well, because Harvey has moved further south and east into the Gulf of Mexico, a lot of the heaviest rain now has transitioned to our south and east side of the viewing area. So let's get right to the radar. Here's the big picture. There's Houston and southeast Texas just getting lambasted. This is a new tornado warning, and as these tornado warnings start to pop up, that's another indication of exactly where the heaviest rain is. And there it is, coming across the Colorado Peninsula. That's not far from Crystal Beach. This one is in effect until 10:15. This may go across the bay, so San Leon, Dickinson, League City, that may end up heading into your neck of the woods here on the west side of Galveston Bay. And you're also getting very heavy rain here from Seabrook to League City, NASA Clear Lake, you guys are getting dumped on, San Leon, and then across 45 to Santa Fe, even reaching all the way to Alvin as this heavy band of rain is coming across the coastal counties right now. And that is a direct result of the center of the storm, and just leave the view here. The center of the storm is way out here in the Gulf of Mexico now. So instead of the heaviest rain being up here in Montgomery County, northern Harris County, you can see how it actually just kind of is beginning to fizzle out, or at least decrease in intensity on the north and west side of Harris County, and increase in intensity on the south and east side. So it is Brazoria County, Fort Bend County, Galveston County, Chambers County, and you see the lightning here in Chambers County. That's another indication that we have intense rain and thunderstorms here in Chambers County. So let's zoom on in down to the other counties now. Here's Harris County, where downtown the rain is let up. It was very heavy about an hour ago, and now it's moderate rain. Heavy rain has turned to lighter rain on up here across the Cypress Creek watershed and the Spring Creek watershed. Of course, the damage is done, but we don't want any more damage. This area south of 290 up here has rain that falls into those Addicks and Barker Reservoir. The rain is letting up there for the moment, so that's good. You see the flash flood warning for Harris, Fort Bend, Brazoria, Galveston, Chambers includes more than 3.5 million people. In effect till 11:15, but that's just kind of the ongoing situation here. Here's Fort Bend County, and so it's a moderate to heavy band of rain here just south of 69, so Missouri City, you guys are getting dumped on. Sugar Land, that's drifting toward your neighborhoods as well, Rosenberg too, and of course we're watching the Brazos River through here very carefully because all the levees in here, most of the neighborhoods there have flood warnings and are asked to be evacuated because we're just worried that the Brazos River may rise so much that some of those levees may break. That's right, Brazos River, as you head down here through the Rosenberg area, and then Wallace to East Bernard, you see some of the areas there that we're watching the levees there. All right, so what's the rain going to do? Let's take a look at our future track as we head into tonight. Here's the storm offshore, and then here's, as we head into 10 o'clock, here we are with that heaviest rain transitioning to our coastal counties. And as we head into tomorrow, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., see, it's the southeast side that may end up with some of the heaviest rain, although it does back some of that into Harris County, so we're not out of the woods yet. Liberty County, Harris County, Brazoria County, Galveston County. This is 6 and 7 and 8 a.m. tomorrow. But most of the rain may be in Galveston. Galveston, you may pick up 5, 6, 7 inches of rain tonight into tomorrow morning. We go into tomorrow noon. Look at where all the heavy rain is by noon. A lot of it, this is an updated forecast model, a lot of that takes it closer to where the center will be at noon tomorrow, which is off the coast. So maybe we can get a lot of the heavy rain to actually transition offshore tomorrow at noon. That would be nice. And then here we go into the afternoon. It's possible a lot of that rain could be offshore. Now again, I say possible because this is a computer model, and anytime you have a forecast, there is uncertainty, but that's the possibility. Let's see what the rain total forecast has done. Has it updated? Yeah, it has. These are lower rain totals than at least we had yesterday at this time. Yesterday at this time, the computer model was suggesting we could see another 10 to 15 inches overnight tonight. Now it's suggesting from now through 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, we'd get 2 to 4 inches of rain, a much decreased rainfall forecast compared to last night at this time. So that's good, but it's bad that it's still raining because we just can't handle anymore. It's all just causing the bayous to continue to rise out there. Winds may be a factor, especially on the coast. This is a wind gust forecast. The ground is so soupy from all the rain that some trees could be blown over by these tropical storm force winds. With Harvey, as he moves up the coast, you see gusts to 38, 39, 40, 43. This is tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. as the center is offshore. tropical storm force gusts, even possible in the downtown area, could cause some trees to come down. So the power outage threat is still there. That's the bottom line on the wind forecast. Here is the track from the Hurricane Center, taking it up the east to the east of Houston and Galveston. That's good. That would put us on the cleaner side in theory. Although what we are seeing now is a lot of the rain transitioning to the center of Harvey. And then Harvey moves up to the north and east of us, and this is by Wednesday morning. So I think Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, the storm begins to get far enough away that our significant rain threat decreases. Again, that's the position, the Louisiana border by Wednesday morning. And then Harvey's up and out of here as the upper level winds finally grab Harvey and just lift him out of here. I can barely even say the name. Here's the extended forecast. Tuesday, more rain. Tuesday night, rain chances maybe begin to settle down. And then we go into Wednesday, where maybe a mix of a little bit of wind, a little bit of rain, maybe a little bit of sun Wednesday. I put in 2 suns there just because I was so excited. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, partly cloudy. I'm not going to say a chance to completely dry out, because that's going to take more than just 4 or 5 days. But at least the rain stops falling from the sky. Mia, we're almost there. Another 24, 36 hours, and I think things are going to improve in a hurry.